Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video, we are going to be making no-bake cheesecake. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, let's get into the ingredients. You are going to need Cool Whip, lemon juice, vanilla extract, sour cream, strawberry jam, cream cheese, and pre-made Graham pie crust. I love using Graham pie crust because it's cheaper, guys. Next, add cream cheese to a medium bowl and beat well until the cream cheese is soft. Do not over whip it, otherwise it's gonna break down and become runny. This should take 30 seconds to 1 minute. The cream cheese is light and fluffy at this stage. Now we're gonna stop the mixer and scrape the bowl before we add the remaining ingredients. Now it's time to add the remaining ingredients. In goes strawberry jam along with sour cream, we are also adding in Cool Whip, now we're gonna beat this at low speed until everything is well incorporated. Now we're gonna stop the mixer, add vanilla extract and lemon juice. Beat well until everything is well combined. This should take 1 minute. One thing I forgot to mention, guys, your cream cheese should be at room temperature. Now we're gonna stop the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl and the bottom to make sure that everything is well incorporated. We don't want chunks of cream cheese. Next, we're gonna spread the mixture out into the prepared crust. If you are enjoying this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and to share this video with your friends and family. Next, we're gonna take the spatula, press firmly since it's a bit aerated. Just be careful around the edges so you don't pull the crust back into the filling. Now we're gonna smooth the top and cover with the lid and chill in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours. One thing I like about this cheesecake, guys, is just perfect, not overly sweet and delicious too. I let the cheesecake chill for 8 hours. Now it's time to serve it. I'm going to share with you one method that I use to have clean cut slices of cheesecake. Here I have a glass of hot water and I'm going to put the knife under hot water to heat the blade, then wipe with a clean kitchen towel, then slice a clean cut. And I'm gonna repeat the same process before I cut another slice. Now we're gonna place on a plate and top with a strawberry compote. Guys, if you wanna know how to make that strawberry compote, I have a video that I made, I think it's a year or 2 years ago. I'll just leave a link somewhere up here. Go check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Time for the taste test. So good.